那它现在是8.1和6.04，记录有效。
哎，真的白底这把也非常快，4.88。
Hello everyone, Andy here, and let's take a look at Han Yezhen's 3x3 4.88 PL single. This rainbow was pretty easy. You could see here it was a one move block, here was a free pair, the cross pieces were close to be solved, and he didn't take advantage of this block, but he tracked this as his first pair stat with a very easy and short cross solutions. So he started solving this edge and solved these two like this, D2, and the first pair is here. Here was the second pair, which is a free pair, and he broke this free pair while inserting this pair. So he solved like this, pretty standard way. And here was the third pair, and by a deduction right here, he noticed that the F12 edge was at the back. So while he was inserting this last pair, he did a R2 prime to took this edge at this position and do F R prime F prime to solve it at the back. There is OLL and A perm. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.